How to lock Facebook profile officially. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your Facebook profile officially. So without further ado, let's get started. But before doing so, you need to adjust a few settings in your account. So start by opening the Facebook app and tap on the three-line menu shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. And under the Settings and Privacy, simply tap on Settings. And once you are in the Settings section, simply scroll down and under the Visibility section, simply go to the Followers and Public Content. And here, switch all the options from Public to Friends or Only Me. You can set them according to your preference. And after that, go back and navigate to the profile and tagging. This is where you can adjust the settings as needed for better privacy. And you can simply set there as the way you want. And once you're done with that, simply go back to the main settings page and select the profile locking. And here you can see the option label lock your profile button at the bottom. So simply tap on that, and once you do that, you are all set. And that's it. That's how you can lock your Facebook profile. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.